This is exactly how you're going to achieve all your goals in 2025. I used this in 2024 and God showed me that if I not get lazy and I put my faith in Him, I can literally do anything. Hi, my name is Eni and you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel. You're going to need a pen and paper to write your goals down. Before you write anything, you need to go on your knees and pray to God. Let His Holy Spirit guide you to write the right thing. Now, this is for when you are confused on your goals, like you don't know what to do, you don't know what to write. You are going to need to pray. Let God speak through you. If you don't believe in God, girl or boy, I don't know what to tell you. Every single tips that I'm going to give you is going to be based on God. If you do not believe in God, I don't know what to tell you. So you are going to need to pray for clarity. You are going to write the right stuff. So now that you have clarity, write all your goals down, write everything. Don't be afraid to be delusional. Write everything, because you're not even doing any of these things with your power. You're doing everything by God's grace. Write everything, be delusional. Lots can happen in 1 year, especially because we are not doing any of this by ourselves, but by God's grace. Even if you don't know how it's going to happen, still write it down. Last year I wrote a lot of things. While I was writing it down, just smiling to myself like, how am I even going to do any of these things? I didn't know I was going to do any of these things. Many of the things that I achieved in 2024, I did not know how I was going to do it. I was just writing them down, being a delusional princess, because I know that my Father in heaven, my King in heaven, is going to do the work for me. So even if you don't know how it's going to happen, write it down. Now that we have this goal, I need you to go on Pinterest and start looking for pictures that align with these goals, with these milestones that you want to achieve, because you need to start seeing how your future self look like. You need to start seeing them. Try to not look so far anymore. Start getting your pictures, pop them in Canva, InShot, or any picture editing app that will allow you to make a collage. This collage that you're about to make is not for aesthetic. This is your vision board. This is your life. Not just for aesthetic, not just for wallpaper. A lot of people used to use vision board, they use it for their wallpaper, and that's just where it ends. Just wallpaper. No, we are not making aesthetic vision board for wallpaper here. This is your life. This is how you are going to see yourself. Every time you look at this collage, you're supposed to be reminded of your future self. Not for aesthetics. Which brings me to the next step. This is your life, to bring this picture to life. Like I said, this picture is not just for aesthetics. You need to bring every single thing that is on that picture. You need to bring them to life. Now, I'm not going to tell you to print it, put all your goals in a paper, burn it, and blow it to the universe. I'm not going to tell you that. I'm not going to tell you to make this list a bit and manifest it, or I'm not going to tell you to use a sound and all these goals will come true. No, you are going to have to work. You are going to work hard. Now remember that you are not doing any of these things by our power, by God's grace. You cannot do any of these things by yourself. You need God heavily. So you have to work hard, pray harder. What I say, you have to work hard and pray harder. There are so many times that we think that we can do stuff by ourselves, and then we work hard and things don't go as planned, because we are not putting God first. We are not bringing God along in everything that we are doing. Just doing it so we can do things by ourselves. You're going to surrender this list, all these goals. You're going to surrender them to God. Surrender this vision board, put it in your front, surrender everything to God. Tell Him that you cannot do any of this thing by yourself. Tell Him that you trust Him with every single thing on this list. Trust Him that He's going to make every one of them come true. Tell Him that you cannot do anything by yourself. You need Him heavily for His guidance to guide you to succeed on exactly how you are going to achieve every single one of these goals. Surrender this vision board to God. So pray for faith on those days that you do not feel like doing anything, on those days that it feels like nothing is working, because let me tell you, a year is a very long time. Things are not going to be going smoothly for you every single day. There are days where you just feel like, I think I'm going to give up, or more things are not working out, things are not looking like it's going to happen. Pray to God to give you faith on days like that, so that you can continue. That we have clarity, we've made vision board, we have surrendered everything to God. The next thing is 3 months rule, where you break everything that you want to achieve into 3 months. So this is what I mean. If your goal is to gain 200 subscribers in a year, you're going to break the whole year into 4, so have 3 months. So that goal of getting 200 subscribers, you're going to break that into 4. One part the first 3 months, that part for the second 3 months, third 3 months, and the fourth one. So if your goal is to gain 200 subscribers in a year, so that first 3 months you're going to work towards gaining 50. The next one you're going to also work towards getting 50 throughout the year. When you gain the 200 subscribers, subscribers. Now it's easier to work. You just know that next 3 months you want to work towards gaining 50 subscribers, so it is more easy for you to achieve that goal instead of it being overwhelming and thinking about how you are going to gain 200 subscribers throughout the year. It's more easy for you to work when your milestone is in chunks. Whatever it is that you want to achieve, maybe it is your health, to complete your workout plan, trying to study more, any milestone you want to achieve, break them down in such a way that you would do like the first part in the first 3 months, the next 3 months, third, and then the fourth. For me, I broke my own into like pieces. What I did was, for example, if my goal is to post 60 videos in a year, I'm going to break that into 3 months. I'm going to give myself 3 months to post 15 videos. And I also broke it down that, okay, if I want to post 15 videos in 3 months, so each month I'm going to post 5 videos, which also means that each month I need to post 5 videos. I also broke that down that if I want to post 5 videos in a month, then that means I need to post a video every week, which means that every day I need to start thinking about ideas or working on the video that I'm going to post that week. That is filming, editing, planning, stuff like that. Now it's not overwhelming for me anymore. Instead of me thinking that, oh, I need to post 60 videos this year, I need to post 60 videos this year, I just need to work with posting a video every single week. 3 months rule is basically dividing your year into 4 and giving yourself 3 months to achieve quarter of your goal throughout the year. My neighbor is playing music now, so this is how we know if this mic actually works. To be very honest, we are all human and we cannot be doing every single thing that we plan to do every day, because there are times where we are just tired and burnt out and we actually need to rest. Also, this that we don't want to do anything, just pray to God to give you the strength to always continue even when you are burnt out. Realistically, you cannot do all these things every single day, but all I need you to do is to show up no matter what. Sometimes the goals that you set for yourself in January can literally change in the middle of the year. You might think that, oh, okay, you don't want to do that anymore, you want to change plans. Keep showing up and keep having faith. It is also possible that you would have gotten to half of the year and you will not have achieved any of your goals. All I need you to do is to keep showing up. If you say, okay, 6 months I have not achieved anything, you don't know if you continue to show up, you don't know if the last 6 months is when you're actually going to achieve them. So imagine giving up in the first 6 months because you are not seeing any results. In 2024, I was using my Android and I was using it to film all my videos. Even though one of the things that was on my vision board was get like an iPhone to be able to film good quality videos, it was already starting to look like I was not going to get the iPhone, so I continued to film with my Android. Not even going to lie, I already lost hope that I was going to get it. I was like, okay, it's looking like I'm not going to get it, so maybe 2025 we'll try again. But literally at the end of 2024, December 1st 2024 was when the stuff that I've been working towards get the phone, was when everything worked out. Even though I don't have a good camera quality, filming all those videos, seeing all those videos made my editing skill better. The way I edit my videos in January 2024 has changed compared to now, has changed a lot because I kept practicing. I did not forget how to do anything. I kept filming. I was learning different camera settings until I got my phone. Now I'm just going to continue from where I stopped instead of starting all over again. All I'm trying to say is that it's going to get to a point where it's looking like nothing is working out. Just be consistent. Just show up every time. Pray to God to give you faith so that you can continue. So remember that faith without work is trash. No matter how strong your faith is, if you are not working towards your goal, nothing is going to happen. Imagine praying instead of studying for your exam. I'm very sure that even God is looking at you and judging you. Study, then pray. Instead of just praying and having faith, so work towards your goals. However, even the Bible says, everyone help those that help themselves. Help yourself first and watch how God is going to help you more. That's the end of the video. I hope this video have been able to help you. I hope you were able to get 1 or 2 points from this video. Just continue to show up no matter what. Like this video, make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. We hit 200 subscribers last year. Don't really have time to like a video and talk about it. Thank you so much to everybody that subscribed to my channel. Thank you for the support. I also promise to be consistent and post regularly. That is literally nothing stopping me from even being consistent. Again, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep working and stay consistent. Bye.